packed up. That's what I'm bringing. The backpack without the axe weighs 23 pounds. So with the axe, right around 25 probably, because that's a 2-pound head. The med kit's actually going to stay in my car. I don't really feel like carrying that. And then I got my little bag for camera gear. And just a jacket. And that's it. Rough. So I'm on my way to the Catskills. This is looking at where I came from. But the funny thing is, I'm only at probably half the elevation where I'm going to be actually camping. Up over this way is actually where I'm going. You'll see there's a hill, a hill crest there. Over that there's another mountain, and that's where I'll be going. Well, now I'm confused. I've been hiking this, what looks like a little trail slash road, in the direction that it showed there was a trail that followed the stream, right? But then, and this is why I'm confused. I think I'm really zoomed in here. Hold on. So I see this forest preserve wilderness area, but at the same time, posted wildlife refugee, hunting, fishing, trapping, or trespassing for any purpose is strictly forbidden. So, I mean, is this a trail or is it not? It doesn't say anything about camping, but, just hiking in general or camping is considered trespassing, I would imagine, if it's posted property. So, what the heck, man? I don't know. I don't want to go the other direction. See, if you look up there, that mountain is where I went last time I came here. And I really wanted to go this direction. It was a much bigger mountain, much higher elevation. And I haven't been here, so it looked interesting, but I don't know. What am I going to do now? I don't know. I was just making a walking stick too. Alright, let me figure something out. Hey guys, so I'm still not sure about that trail, or if I'm even anywhere near. Like, it looks more like a off-road road than a trail. So I kind of broke off from that and I just started bushwhacking it. And I found something pretty interesting. So this is where I came from. Right, and you can kind of see the green grass over there. That's kind of like where the trail actually forked off in 3 different directions, and that's why I was like, forget this. The known water sources over there runs this way. But I saw this as I was coming up here. You got to check this out. This is so cool. I saw this. I'm like, what the heck is this? So I came up here. It's a little steep, a little treacherous, very treacherous, especially with all these dry leaves. But look at this. How freaking cool is that? It's like a ready-made rock foundation. Let's get inside here. A little bit grown over. Like, hey. So, how cool is that? Huh? I mean, talk about a ready-made shelter. All you'd have to do is, I mean, geez, just lean some logs up or put some logs up over the corner and make a little fire here or here, and got a door, an entranceway. walls to block the wind. Tell you what, I'm not within 100 feet of the water, and that trail way over there, that might be 100 feet away, in which case I could actually camp here. The only problem is I brought my hammock set up, so I couldn't really set up a hammock in here. I don't have much sun before that goes down over that horizon there, and I'm going to be in the dark, and I have no idea where I can set up here. So as cool as this is, I do have to get moving. I crossed that river, and it looks like I found another I crossed that path, and it looks like I found another trail. You can see it down here and down there. But this one was marked with red, so I don't know. I'm gonna have to check my trail map and see where red leads, and see how I can avoid it, but still be near water so I can get somewhere set up. I'm in a really muddy, swampy area. There's actually still mosquitoes even this late in the year. So I'm gonna get moving, but I'll talk to you again once I actually find a spot. One more important thing I wanted to point out, and extremely important when you're doing backwoods camping like I do, where you're not at a designated campsite. Always check above head. Make sure there's no widowmakers hanging up there just waiting to fall down on you. And this looks pretty good. This pine tree right here looks nice and alive. So does this one. And this one, only the lower little branches are dead. But these, you know, these aren't gonna hurt nothing. Even if they did fall. Thinking about making my fire pit right there. Run the hammock from there to there, so maybe I'll even get some heat coming from the fire pit into my hammock. My only worry is if sparks are gonna get my rain fly. So I'm not 100% on that yet. Well, hammock's up. Honestly, I might not even put the rain fly up tonight. Sorry about that. I got a stick in the face. Might not even put the rain fly up tonight. It's not supposed to rain. As far as the fire, I might make a fire pit here today. And then if I need to, I mean, there's a lot of rocks around that are easy to get out of the ground, I've noticed. A lot of them are like slate. So if I need, I might just move the fire pit to kind of right where that rock is. And then I'll have the hammock to sit in, be able to view the fire, or I could sit on that rock while my food cooks. I think this is a pretty good setup here for being, you know, on the top of a freaking mountain. I mean, yeah, I could go a lot higher up. It definitely keeps going, but I've never been a fan of hiking in general. I'd rather just get to where I'm going and, you know, be okay. I'm happy with this spot. I heard some hikers off this way, so but I couldn't see them, so the trail must be way far away. This is probably going to be the last little clip I can film because there's no light left. But I cleared out as much of the leaf litter as I could with a stick for a rake. I dug out all the kind of roots that would slowly catch on fire out of there. There's a nice big rock here to stop it from spreading this way. There's another little rock right here. So once I put some rocks around there, I should contain it very well. And with most of this leaf litter cleared, I mean, you can see the difference. Like, see where I cleared it to? I cleared it pretty far. Let me step back and give you a shot. So basically, everything that's in frame right now, I've cleared. And this has not been. It's not perfect, but it's enough to where a stray spark shouldn't, you know, spark some kind of forest fire that's going to be out of control. It's getting pretty dark. It doesn't even look as dark as it is on camera. But here in this area, it's quite dark. So let's get a fire going. One thing I wanted to show you guys, I was just relaxing after getting everything taken care of, getting my firewood situated for possibly cooking dinner. I laid down in my hammock and I dozed off. But one thing I did want to show you, it's really cool. We got a full moon this weekend. It's kind of hard to see through the trees, but yeah, I don't know if it's tonight or I don't know, maybe it's maybe it'll be tomorrow or the next night. Maybe it was last night, but it's pretty it's a very full moon, which is nice. I gotta go get this fire going again now that I passed out. We just got glow. Come on, focus camera. John Deere.